In this video, I will show you how to clear cached, temporary, and junk files in Windows 11. First, press Windows + R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and press Enter. Press Ctrl + A to select all the files, then delete them. If Windows asks for administrator permission or some files cannot be deleted, simply select Skip. Next, open the Run dialog box again and type %temp%. Press Enter, then press Ctrl + A to select all the files and delete them. Skip any files that cannot be removed. After that, open Run again and type prefetch. Press Enter and allow permission if requested. Select all the files and delete them. Once you're done, open the recycle bin and empty it to permanently remove the deleted files. And that's how you can clear temporary, cached, and junk files in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.